Together we stand, divided we fall. In the heart of a bustling city lived two best friends, Max and Emma. They were inseparable, sharing dreams and adventures since their childhood. They often said to each other, "Together we stand, divided we fall." One summer, they both decided to participate in a local tree climbing competition. It was an annual event with a grand prize for the first to reach the top of the tallest tree in the city park. Max and Emma were confident in their abilities and excited to compete. The day of the competition arrived, and the park was filled with participants and onlookers. As the signal to start the climb was given, Max and Emma raced up the tree side by side, competing with determination. However, as they ascended, the branches grew thinner, and the task became more challenging. Max, being a bit ahead, faced a tough decision. He could reach the top first, but doing so would require him to break a precarious branch, leaving Emma with no stable foothold. Max hesitated and remembered the words they had always lived by, "Together we stand, divided we fall." He decided to slow down and wait for Emma. He encouraged her, offering his hand to help her find a secure grip. With Max's support, Emma regained her confidence, and together, they continued the climb. They struggled together, communicated, and found new ways to overcome each obstacle. They adjusted their strategy, helping and reassuring each other every step of the way. As they neared the top, the crowd watched in awe. Max and Emma, working together, reached the summit hand in hand, both touching the highest point of the tree at the same time. The crowd erupted in applause, recognizing the true spirit of teamwork and friendship. In the end, they didn't win the competition, but they had achieved something more profound. They had proved that in their journey, the value of teamwork, loyalty, and sticking together was far more important than any prize. Max and Emma descended from the tree as true champions. They knew that, indeed, together we stand, divided we fall, and they realized that their bond and their teamwork were the greatest victories of all. Subscribe to this channel, like and ring the notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.